watch the orange sunlight slowly fade away. Coffee getting colder on the table by my hand. Another quiet night I never really planned. Neighbors talking softly through the paper thin wall. Somebody upstairs dragging chairs down the hall. Children laughing in the street, and for a second loneliness skips a beat. Then the silence comes back slow like ocean waves, and I sit there with the thoughts I could not say. I stopped calling people I used to know. Got tired pretending I was doing good alone. Just to hear the floor, like maybe movement means I'm living something more. And the sunset keeps arriving every day on time, while I keep losing pieces of this heart of mine. I whisper to myself, just make it through tonight. But even hope feels tired under city lights. Hey, sunset today, and I'm still learning how to stay, watching shadows cross the walls, hearing down the hall. Sunset today, some pain never fades away, but I breathe in slow and let the evening hold my soul. Maybe tomorrow, maybe someday, the light will find me on the way. I hear the traffic far away. Somebody singing in the dark. And the night keeps calling my name. One night all the power in the building disappeared. No television noise, no humming in my ears. Just the city breathing somewhere deep outside, and all the things I spent so long trying to hide. I looked at my reflection in the window glass and realized I was afraid to let time pass. Not because of growing old or being alone, but cause I forgot this heart could still be home. So I opened up the window to the cooling air, heard somebody laughing somewhere out there, and for the first time in a while I let myself cry. Not to break apart, just to finally stop asking why. Maybe healing ain't a sunrise after all. Maybe it's learning how to walk before you crawl. Maybe broken people still deserve a little grace, even when the world forgets their face. And every scar I tried so hard to hide was only proof that somehow I survived the night, the fear, the empty rooms, the doubt. I'm still here now. Sunset today, and I finally found the strength to stay. Though the silence still remains, I don't run from it the same. Sunset today, I can feel the dark but not decay. There's a softness in the pain, like the sky before the rain. Maybe tomorrow, maybe someday, I'll recognize myself again. Sunset today, and the light still finds a way. The alley glows in fading gold. stood beside the window frame, breathing softly through the chain.